Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps on iOS 18. It's a quick and easy process. Here's what you need to do. Press and hold on the app you want to hide. Tap on a Require Face ID. Tap a Hide app and Require Face ID. Taps Hide, and the app will be hidden. You'll find the app in the app library under the Hidden section. It will require Face ID or a passcode to unlock. If you want to unhide the app, follow these steps. Go to the Hidden category in the app library. Tap and hold on the app you want to unhide. Tap Don't require Face ID. And there you go. You can also lock the app by tapping Require Face ID. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.